Are you able to see this wheel?
Yes. It is visible now.
Okay. So now I will just spin the wheel and both of you will get turns to speak and the task you have to do. Okay. So Dashwin, now first you will do that and then Mehak will do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now your task is you have to tell us what did you do today. So you have to mention how was your day in 2 to 3 sentences.
So my day was well planned. I went to my friend's home and we had food, we had gossip, and she gave me presents. That's all my day.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Now next. So Mehak has to tell me what is your goal? What do you want to achieve? So you have to tell me in simple sentences, what do you want to achieve?
Okay. So my current goal is to improve my uh, English fluency and to gain the confidence to speak clearly in public settings and uh, the kind of profession I'm in, I need fluency for that also. So my goal is to achieve that fluency and confidence.
Okay, very good. Wonderful. Next, tell us about your favorite hobby.
So I have more than one favorite hobby. My favorite hobby is listening music, drawing, as well as I love walking with my friends.
You love walking with your friends. This is what you said.
Yeah, we go for a walk daily, almost daily.
Okay, so you love to go for a walk with your friends. Next,
Yeah,
good.
it lightens
Wonderful.
up my day.
Okay, very nice. Next, Mehak. Describe your college in 2, 3 sentences. If you have to tell me about your college, how would you tell me?
Okay, so I'm currently pursuing BLM. So as per my experience, it is a nice place to gain academic knowledge and as well as a personality development also as I have currently pursued in a professional course which provide us a lot of confidence and the kind of subjects we have read, like we have read about gender, human perspective, psychology also. So talking about college, it is a spacious place which has provided us a lot of experiences
Okay.
which flourish our personality
Okay, very good.
and
Wonderful. You
have
have,
fun with friends also.
okay, very nice. Wonderful. So you have to talk about your best friend. You just mentioned that you go for a walk with your friends. You have to talk about your best friend.
Okay, so my best friend, actually, I have one more than one best friend. So it's not specific. I cannot mention about one, but yeah, we usually has to talk about what our lives, the situations which we are going to handle or we are going through, and something they are very calm listeners and they help motivate me more.
Okay, now if I want just one, you have to pick one out of them. Like you mentioned that you have few. So
Hmm.
you just have to pick one out of them and you have to tell me her or his 3 to 4 qualities. So what qualities
Okay,
would you like to
my best
highlight?
friend's first quality is first of all, they are a very patient listener, as and the second major quality is they are very matlab inhumane with me, and
Okay.
the third quality I would acknowledge is mm, they are very good at their own field. Maybe
Okay.
I will talk about her tech field, and she is achieving very good amount of interactions with that. And the fourth major quality is she cooks very well.
Okay. So she's a good cook also. Good. Great. Now next, last is Mehak. Let me see what is it written. I will just tell you. Describe your favorite. 1 minute. Describe your favorite food. So you have to tell us about your favorite food.
Okay, so my favorite food is Rajma Chawal and pizza. So I can't differentiate both one gives me joy on another level. Like Rajma Chawal will be the first one which I enjoy a lot because my mom really cooks it well, and even my friends also used to enjoy eating it. And pizza is something I have discovered that it aligns with my taste buds.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I could see that happiness on your face when you were describing about your favorite food. You were very happy describing about these things. So well done, both of you. You have done it. You have done this task really well. So I appreciate your efforts and the way you have spoken about all the tasks. It was really nice. Now let's move on with our next topic.